The ukulele is the red mic, Len.
Could I get a music stand?
Keep it quiet so we can hear the uke.
Do I need it? Okay.
Okay.
This is great. It's more here as a crutch.
Thank you for your help.
Yeah. Like I said.
Did you check the voice level? So everything's good to
Yeah.
go. Okay then. I think he's got the levels good. So everyone please put your hands together for Walt Klappert.
So about 10 years ago, I wrote a topical song, and if it holds out that long, you know it's worth doing, right? We'll see how it goes. I want to thank these folks for making this my real special evening. Yahoo's got my date book, and Google's got my blog. My photos are on Flickr, YouTube my video log. I'm backed up deep in carbonite, and Facebook has my friend. Can't we see how screwed we are when all the free deals end? It's all online. The cloud is fine, but it's only kind if you keep in mind if you put it online. It stays online, and there's the bind. It stays online. By the way, if you pick up on the chorus, sing along. Fred met Sue on Match.com, but dumped her in the spring. By May, he's off with Patty, for whom he buys a ring. So here's a tweet from Betty June about their wedding day. Sue posts her old love letters, and Patty blows away. It's all online. The cloud is fine, but it's only kind if you keep in mind if you put it online. It stays online, and there's the bind. Take a verse. It's all online. The cloud is fine, but it's only kind if you keep in mind if you put it online. It stays online, and there's the bind. It stays online. Butch planned a brilliant bank heist, emailed it to Bill Jones, who blindly copied every Dick and Larry that he knows. And when the plan went viral, who could the coppers nail? When two mob guys pulled off the job, it's Butch who went to jail. It's all online. The cloud is fine, but it's only kind if you keep in mind if you put it online. It stays online, and there's the bind. It stays online. It stays online. Stays online.
That was a good warning song. Give another hand, everybody, for Walt Klappert. Okay. Nicholas Harris, come on up.
Okay, Metro.
I didn't see any cars still parked across the street, but in case there's something I'm not noticing, please.